Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about how to create a link and how to add images and videos to your code. So I'm going to show an example of what we are going to make or what we are going to create. Yeah. Let's go for full screen. So if you are following me on my channel, there was a time I created this in Netflix app. So this is where you can enter your email and you sign up, and these are some images and some videos which are playing.
Show these humans the price of defiance!
I see anything.
Look harder.
I can fast forward them.
Whoa!
People of Earth, your Power Rangers have been destroyed! You have this one last night to savor your despair!
Okay.
Don't come any closer. You'll force me to do something I don't want.
I'm going to create this video and these images is what I'm about to teach today, and how to create something like this link and this sign up. So something like this is what I'm here to do today. So for us to do this, first we create a folder. So your folder, you can rename it, but I'm not going to rename my own. For the next thing, any image. So I'm going to put this my logo inside this folder. Then I'm going to put a particular video. So today I'm going to intro okay through this was another video yesterday I did how you can display. And let's apply this. Let's really look for another video. So without wasting much time, let's apply this video. We'll use this video. We'll put it inside this folder. So now that I've applied to the image and the video inside the folder, so next thing we'll go to Facebook. Then Mm. When we go to VS Code, we have VS Code now. So next thing we do is we open folder. So you can either click here or you can come to file and click open folder, or you can press Ctrl plus K or Ctrl plus O. So by the time you open it, you look for the folder that you put those images and the video. So which is this. Select it. So by the time you select it, you will see this image and the video that we put in the folder to appear here. So you can see the name of the folder, new folder. You can see the images and the video, the image and the video that we put on the folder. So the next thing is we create a new file with our HTML file. So you can just give it a name. So in that HTML file, we put our HTML file inside that folder. Create file. So when you just put the name and you apply .html when putting the name and you press enter, so it will automatically take you to that place I just took us now. So the next thing, we create another new file, and this new file, so the name of, I'm giving our CSS file vxx, so I now add .css. So adding that .css will tell the VS Code that want to create a CSS file. So by the time we hit the enter key, it will take us here, and all we just need to do is press create file and add them. So these are the 4 things that we need now. So let's start the code. So just leave it here. Once I upload images and videos to your code on your website, you can see that this is too long. So let's open it. So any code that you're making, any code that you're writing, and you want to check the results, you make sure that you save it first. So as you can see, my own is in auto save, so I don't need to save. So all I would just need to do is just to run the program. So all I would just need to do is run the program. Okay. And this is not too long. Not too long. let's add it. Let's add beautiful. Now that I want to go and check the results, if one is not allowed to save, I repeat, we save it. So, but since one is at auto save, so all I will need to do is just to come here and refresh. So this is good. The next thing I will do now is we will link our HTML and CSS. So let's link our HTML and CSS. So I'll apply href here. So now to confirm whether it's linked or not, we hold our control key. By the time we hold our control key, you see that our cursor has changed to something like this. So you can see it's saying follow link control plus click. So you hold down your control key and you click. So you can see that it's linked. So now that it's linked, the next thing I will do is to go to the main part of this video. So I'm going to create a link now. So to create a link, we use the a tag. Yes, we use the tag, and inside this a tag, I'll apply href also. And href could be equals to hash, and I'll put here sign up, and that's it. I've created the link. So let's check it. You can see our sign up link shown here. So if you want to beautify this, just like I did in that Netflix, so I'm going to beautify this. Let's try it. So to beautify it, I'll go to CSS. So first, let's change the background of this. So to change the background of, so to change the background, this white background, we go to CSS. So black, change the background. So now let's check it. So the background color is black, but our writing will come here again and put each one. So I think this is better. In case you don't know how we did this, all I just did was how I changed that body to black. I defined this body. So since we are creating sign up, and any code that we are creating, we create it in the body. So I define the body by changing the background color to black. And this our writing. I use each one for our writing. So and the default color for the writing is black. So since our body is black, I have to define the H1 too. So that I see each one. You see body. So that there is nothing hard. Nothing hard. So now the next thing we'll do is to verify the sign up. So to do that, we'll define the A tag. Define the so here. Let's do the color will be blue. Color will be blue. Then let's add something. To add padding. And the padding will be SAX 18. The next thing we add background color. And our background color will be white. Next thing we add our cursor. And our cursor will be pointer so that it will be something like this. So since I've added cursor pointer, anytime we touch that sign up button, this is the way the hand will be like. So cursor pointer. Okay, let's check it. I don't think there's much of it already. Okay, you see now I put the cursor on the sign up button. So this is a link. This is a link. So just like my Netflix app, if you should put your email and you press the sign up, so it will link you to the main app. So that is what we did here. So by the time you press the sign up, if you make a programming on this, that anytime they click on this, it will direct them to this. So it's like a link. And that is just how to create it. So you can see that this side is square, and there is no app you go to, you will see them having this square. It's normally a circle, using circle at the sides. And so let's correct that. So to do that, add the border radius, and height px will be the best size for that, because we did padding of 18 8 to 18. Okay, you can see that it has changed. So that's just it. The next thing is our image. So to do our image, you can go back to our HTML. You write this code. Then we copy this. So mind you, any image or video that you are applying to your code, make sure that the image is in .jpg and the video is in .mp4, or it might not be mp4. I'm sure that this image must be in jpg. If not, it's not work. So paste it here. So now that I've pasted it there, let's check. So correct this size. Use the correct output. Okay, so to apply the image, the next one we're doing is to apply the video. So just like we did img src, so we just do the same. img src, copy the video and paste it. Then this one just going to the css settings. This one just going to the css to add height. And this our HTML. You can just put control it and set it to set our control it to 100. And then we close it. So now that I've done that, let's test it. Okay, so refresh. So you can see the video there, see the image, and that's the sign up link. So that's just it. So today I'm going to go through walking you through how I am going to create the, you can see explain how you can display or hide context, text, or any boxes. And if you want to set it to full screen, how you can also hide it. And do that too. So first let's start with this. Then the first thing is supposed to modify. You don't set it full screen, you can do that. These are more options. Once you mute it, can mute it. Want to reduce the volume, can reduce the volume. that you can for sure. So if you're following me on my channel, this video was what I did. I didn't even know when I did that video. So and pause screen and next mute and not just so you know what to do. You know what to do. Just tap the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. So after that, go to the comments. You comment anything. If you have a question, just write it on the comments. I'll create time to answer. So the next video I'll be doing is how to get some actual Wi-Fi password. So the next video I'll be doing is how to get some actual Wi-Fi password using Python. So and that Python I'm going to be using it on VS Code. So just like I use HTML on VS Code, CSS on VS Code, JavaScript on VS Code. So I also write Python on VS Code. So you can write Python on VS Code. So I'll be getting some actual Wi-Fi password, most especially password that you're connected to. So we're getting their password using Python. So just stay tuned, subscribe so that when I drop the next video you will see it. Bye.